Hello, Dr. Rashi Agarwal here. Welcome to this super chaotic vlog where will you see me many times just practicing my script and trying to learn it by heart. We are late and we have woken up super early to be at the airport, which is I think around 7 a.m. and we are still sleepy, of course. So let's go and explore the
T1 एयरपोर्ट अब
airport.
T1 बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है. गॉर्डन रैमसे स्ट्रीट बर्गर. ओ माय गॉड, आई हैव सीन दिस जस्ट इन यूट्यूब वीडियोस जो बहुत अमेरिकन लाइफस्टाइल वाली वीडियोस होती हैं कि पीपल ट्राई आउट हिज ईटरीज एवरीवेयर. T1 is like fancy now. I can find so many places. There's the Irish House, then there's Chanel. Oh my god. Then there's Chroma and Hamleys and Miniso and Hello Mercato. W. Oh my god, this is a mall. This is no more an airport. We are here 2 hours early, so we have a lot of time to spend and explore throughout. So chalo, T1 देखते. And who got shoes from Hush Puppies at the airport. It is not an impulsive buy. मुझे बहुत टाइम से शूज़ चाहिए थे या फुटवेयर चाहिए था. अब देखते हैं हम और क्या क्या खरीद सकते हैं एयरपोर्ट से. और करना अपना फेवरेट काम, लाउंज में आके वॉशरूम में अपना फेवरेट काम कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज बहुत सुबह टाइम है. Everything is okay at the airport. All bodies are normal. Having such high breakfast at early morning is normal. Sunscreen is very important. This Nykaa super light. This is very nice day. This is what usually I am using these days in all 3 colors. But the main issue with this is that they are drying because you need to use them throughout the day. So it's very bad at night also, so you need to hydrate them again. So this one Nykaa. I usually have a lot of travel friendly stuff with me always. This is the bag I'm carrying, and let's have this travel size stuff. We're going to go and check out more stuff at the airport, which is, it seems less like an airport, more like a mall. So come here. Let's go.
कहीं का भी खाना हो, I just don't seem to find taste. Very good airlines, Akasa. Very bland food, not tasty, not heated up. But कोई नहीं. Shooting some content here, and again we'll be revising my speech, working on it. I did not fall asleep in the flight after a very long time.
Finally landed. Location end में पता चलेगी, देखना पड़ेगा. We're going to meet our lovely sister. Everybody who has seen her on Instagram. So she is here. We're going to her house hopefully. Waiting. Hi. Hello. Say hi to the vlog.
This is for you. Missed you.
Oh, thank you so much.
क्या आप रखो.
Thank you. I'll just close the door. We've come to this wonderful place where she stays. We're not revealing the location. Thank you. This is for me. I have got such a nice gift from my sister. Sister's day out, and we are having a nice
Not a brunch, like a good evening meal, and this is such a cool place. Mishi, say hi. What is this place?
With flipping burgers and we're having meat proper.
Looks nice. I don't think this is in Delhi, so that's why we are trying this because I don't want to eat anything that's available there. और ये जगह अभी भी कौन सी है ये मैंने रिवील नहीं करा है. Oh. Hello. Hi.
हेलो
Bye. See you. Let's quickly discuss the pink tags. Like technically the cost of being a woman for this one event, I got waxing, I got eyebrows, I got my hair done, I got my nails done. My god, the cost of looking good or looking presentable or fitting into a particular standard is just getting high. More than the main event, the preparation before it takes so much of a toll on your pocket. Do you also relate to it? हेलो वी आर रेडी एंड गोइंग टू द इवेंट. वो इवेंट जाके पता चलेगी. एंड तन्मय आया हमारे साथ इवेंट में फुल सपोर्ट देने के लिए. सो वी आर ट्रैवलिंग एंड एज यू नो इस सिटी में ट्रैफिक बहुत है. तो वी हैव लेफ्ट अ लिटिल अर्ली. होपफुली वी विल रीच देयर बाय टाइम. समर है, अच्छी खासी गर्मी हो रही है. द Usually in a lot of talks and interviews they have these pre-interviews where they take some of your bites, and usually after the talk also they take some behind the scenes or how was your experience and sharing something about the event. This is a normal thing that usually happens, so it's not my first time seeing things like this. But yes, every opportunity or every event surely shapes up, gives me a lot of confidence, and makes me more and more prepared for whatever the future holds. We are just prepping up and going for the stage. I'm glad Tanmay is here with me backstage to boost me and also show me a lot of, Behel, you can do it, and I'm here for you. So blessed, really. Just 1 minute to show time. Am I getting jitters? No, but little nervousness. And so next shot is me speaking. Let's go.
Please join me in welcoming Dr. Rashi Alivar.
What do you do now? You again go to AI and you're like, why is it giving me the same answer again and again? There have been significant researches which have shown that your gray matter, which is the place you use for your attention, your memory, your higher executive function, it significantly reduces in people who use artificial intelligence more. Also, a lot of EEG brain studies, they show that your memory, your attention span, they are reduced in people who are using AI frequently. Though these studies are recent, they are significant. We would now. I have been lucky enough in my life to have very good long distance friends, and it just age जब बोलते हैं लोग कि नए दोस्त नहीं मिलते. My very pretty friend Dr. Karishma. Hi. आप क्या करते हो?
I'm Karishma. I'm an eye surgeon based in Mumbai, and it's great to meet Rashi after so many years.
See, you can make friends at this age, and we have yapped for 2 hours straight. लोग कहते हैं ना थेरेपी नहीं है, agreed, it's very therapeutic. Please find yourself good friends in this life. It's such a nice setup. हम अच्छे Starbucks में हम लोग को ढूंढे हैं. I'm really grateful to have good people in my life. One new thing that I have been seeing at the airport is you really do not need to talk to anybody at all. I have entered by DJ Yatra, not talked to anyone. Gave my bag, did not talk to anyone. I got the receipt, strolling through the airport, Finally, it's time for security, for check in. None, Naga, nowhere. You can just enjoy that peace of mind. If you're thinking something, reading something, unnecessarily hassle and interaction has significantly gone down. That chick one. And finally, we are so yes, we who are in Mumbai for the NMIMS TEDx talk. Highly grateful for the college to call me, and I hope I did a good work in time over there. Thanks a lot to my lovely sister, brother who were with me through all and all part of it. See you again next time. Keep watching and subscribing.